So today we're looking at the Sylvan 85 22 foot long, 8.5 feet wide, party fish, 2023, slightly used. You can tell this thing looks brand new. Got a 115, super low hours, I believe it's under 50. Nice little walking area back here with a door on each side. A little live well back here. Captain's seat, got a beautiful bench over here, so you can captain have a couple people sitting over here, or co-captain just laying out. Got a changing room under there. Tons of room under the helm. Room under all these seats for storage. So imagine all the life preservers and everything you can fit up in these guys underneath these seats. Your front door. A little bit of a porch out there so you can walk out to your cleats, tie off your boat. Power bimini. This is an L series. Got that beautiful flooring. Nice side gate here. Got a Humminbird fish finder, the Helix 5. Some rod holders. Mercury 115. Nice little pontoon boat. Come take a look.